Hello YouTube world, welcome back to my channel, Nessa B Lifestyle. I am Vanessa and today I'm going to do a brief tutorial on the makeup look that I did today. Blending eyebrows, eyeshadow, eyes, lashes, mascara, I don't know if I got all those, and last but not least lip color. So again, I apologize for the lighting and everything in here, but it's just it's been a busy day. So I'm glad I got this video footage in. I'm very pleased with how the makeup turned out. It did take me 1 hour at least. Yeah. Because I'm really working on blending everything and I got interrupted. And yeah. So I'm really pleased with how it turned out. And I hope that you get something from this video. Please like and subscribe. I would love to see more followers and be sure to give me feedback. It is a positive space though, so let's keep it happy. Thanks for watching.